So let us look at few more problems based on the equation of circle in today's class. So the first problem is to find the equation of the circle when two ends of the diameter are given. So here you are given a circle and let us take the diameter to be AB. So let us take the ends of the diameter to be R1 theta 1 and R2 theta 2. Now we need to find the equation of circle in terms of R theta, and so R theta denotes any point on the circle, and the equation involves R1 theta 1 and R2 theta 2, which are the ends of your diameter. So that is what is given to us. We are given a circle and a diameter AB with ends R1 theta 1 and R2 theta 2. You can see in the figure the points A, P and B. So AB denotes the diameter and P is any arbitrary point on the circle, which is denoted by R theta. From E angular angle AOX, that will be theta 1, and so the bigger angle is theta 1, and this angle will be theta, and this angle is going to be equal to theta 2. So here the line segments are joined. So we have the line segment OA, then AP, PB, then OP and OB. Now let us first consider the triangle OAP. So in the triangle OAP, we have AP square. So by the property of the triangle, so AP square will be equal to OA square plus OP square minus 2 OA OP into this angle. AP യുടെ opposite angle വരുന്നു. AP യുടെ opposite angle എന്ന് പറയുന്ന angle POA. Now POA will be theta 1 minus theta. Okay. So that will be equal to R1 square. So OA is R1 square, then OP is R2 square, and you have minus 2 R1 R, and this is not theta, this is going to be theta 1 minus theta. Okay. So this is theta 1 minus theta. Now let us take the second triangle. So in the second triangle BPO, so here BP square, by the property of the triangle again, BP square will be equal to OB square plus OP square minus 2 OB into BP യുടെ opposite angle എന്ന് പറയുന്ന angle BOP. ഇനി angle BOP എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഈ ഇടയ്ക്കുള്ള ആംഗിൾ ആണ്. So that will be theta 2 minus theta minus theta 2. ഈ ഇവിടം വരെയുള്ള ആംഗിൾ തീറ്റ ആണ്. So and this angle will be theta 2. So that will be theta minus theta 2 വരും. So that is the angle. So this is the angle we want. So that is going to be this much is theta and this is theta 2. So that is theta minus theta 2. So we will get R2 square. So OB is this distance, the distance in R2 varum, plus OP square is R square minus 2 R2 cos theta minus theta 2. And next from the triangle ABO, AB square will be equal to OA square plus OB square minus 2 OA OB, and AB യുടെ corresponding opposite side വരുന്നത് that will be this angle. So this angle ഈ angle വരും. അപ്പോൾ ഈ angle എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് that will be theta 1 minus theta 2. So we'll get OA square, which is R1 square, plus R2 square minus 2 R1 R2 cos theta 1 minus theta 2. So we have got AP square, BP square and AB square, and as you know, for the diameter of a circle. അപ്പം ഇത് diameter സബ്റ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ആംഗിൾ ആണ്. So this angle will be always 90 degree by the property for circle. So this will be right angle triangle. So therefore AB square will be equal to AP square plus BP square. So we have got the value of AB square and BP square. So substituting those into this equation, we will get R1 square plus R2 square minus 2 R1R cos theta 1 minus theta plus R2 square plus R square minus 2 R1 to R2R cos theta minus theta 2. That will be equal to R1 square plus R2 square minus 2 R1 R2 cos theta 1 minus theta 2. So here R1 square and R2 square will cancel off on both sides. So നമുക്ക് left side 2R square, then 2 R1 R2 cos theta 1 minus theta 2 minus 2 R2R cos theta minus theta 2 വരും. So 2 will cancel off on both sides. So this is what we are going to get. So we will get R square minus R cos R1 cos theta minus theta 1 plus R2 cos theta minus theta 2 plus R1 R2 cos theta 1 minus theta 2. So this is the equation involving R theta, then R1 theta 1 and R2 theta 2. So this represents the equation of the circle. Now next problem is to prove that the equation of the chord joining the points theta equal to theta 1, theta equal to theta 2 of the circle R equal to 2a cos theta is R cos theta minus theta 1 minus theta 2 equal to 2a cos theta 1 cos theta 2. So we are given circle of the form R equal to 2a cos theta, and 2 points are given on the circle. We need to find the equation of the chord joining the points theta equal to theta 1 and theta equal to theta 2. In order to find the equation of the chord joining the points theta equal to theta 1 and theta equal to theta 2, let us start with the general equation of a straight line in polar form. So the general equation of straight line in polar form is 1 by r equal to a cos theta plus b sin theta. നമ്മൾ ലൈനിൻ്റെ ഇക്വേഷൻസിനകത്ത് കണ്ടതാണ് 1 by r equal to a cos theta plus b sin theta. So let us take this to be the equation of the chord. Okay. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഇതിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് എയും ബിയും എന്താണെന്ന് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. So using that we will show that the equation of the chord is equal to this. Now for finding a and b, we are given 2 points on the chord. അതായത് chordന്റെ രണ്ട് എൻഡിലെയും പോയിന്റ്സ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. So we have a chord joining theta equal to theta 1 and theta equal to theta 2. Now at theta equal to theta 1, r ന്റെ വാല്യൂ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്, so r1 will be 2a cos theta 1, and at theta equal to theta 2, r2 is going to be 2a cos theta 2. So let us take this to be the equation of the chord. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ chordന്റെ equation 1 by r equal to a cos theta plus sin theta ആണ്. Since theta equal to theta 1 and theta equal to theta 2 are the ends of the chord, so by substituting into the equation of the circle, the ends of the chord will be 2a cos theta 1 and 2a cos theta 2 theta 2. Now let us substitute r and theta into this equation. അപ്പോൾ ആദ്യത്തെ പോയിന്റിന് കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആയിട്ട് 1/2a cos theta 1 will be equal to a cos theta 1 plus b sin theta 1 വരും. And this can be simplified as cross multiply ചെയ്യുക. So we will get 2a, 2 capital A into 2a cos theta 1 square വരും plus 2ba sin square. Okay, so we are going to get here sin theta 1 cos theta 1 minus 1 equal to 0. അപ്പം 2 sin theta 1 cos theta 1 I can write as sin 2 theta 1. So this is the first equation you are going to get. ഇനി അതുപോലെ തന്നെ 1/2a cos theta 2 will be equal to a cos theta 2 plus b sin theta 2. So from this equation we will get 2a into a cos square theta 2 plus ba sin 2 theta 2 equal to minus 1 equal to 0. Now we have these two equations 1 and 2. Now for solving a and b we will use the cross multiplication method. Okay, so if you have an equation of the form ax plus by minus c equal to 0, a1 b1 c1, and take a2x plus b2y minus c2 equal to 0. Then by cross multiplication method, so x by determinant of b1 minus c1 b2 minus c2, that will be equal to y by determinant. So we will have minus of a1 minus c1, then a2 minus c2 വരും. That will be equal to 1 by this determinant a1 b1 a2 b2. So this is the cross multiplication method for solving system of linear equation. So from this we can obtain the value of x, y and 1. So in a similar way, when you solve here, you can obtain the value of a and b. So upon solving, we will get a by 2. So a അവിടെ ഈ ഡിറ്റർമിനൻ്റ് ആയിരിക്കും വരിക. Okay, so we will get a by 2a cos square theta 1 into a by a sin 2 theta 1 into minus 1 minus a sin theta 2 into minus 1. So that will give a into sin 2 theta 2 minus sin 2 theta 1. Similarly, b യുടെ denominator 2a cos square theta 1 minus cos square theta 2 വരും, and the last term will be 1 by 2a square cos square theta 1 sin 2 theta 2 minus cos square theta 2 sin 2 theta 1. So